pants. Tell her. You go, whoosh. And the poopy went everywhere, didn't it? It did. Poopy went everywhere. Oh no. Same thing that got us before. What are those? We don't like those. The hiccups are back, Mom. Should we go eat some more and get rid of them? Oh, you were such a good mood. Thank you. I can't talk when I got the hiccups, Dad. You tell Mom. Should we go get rid of them? You want to go get rid of them? You want some more milk? Mom, give little Mama special? Oh, you were in such a good mood, tell Mom. I wasn't. You were very, oh yeah, you still are. Even though I got hiccups. That's amazing. Can I kiss that face? Dad loves you. Mama loves you too. Tell him. Tell Mom.
Kayla.
Tell Mom.
Kayla.
Talk to her.
Hi,
Talk to
Kayla.
her. Talk to her. Talk to Mama. Can I kiss that face? Dad loves you. Talk to Mama. Talk to me. Talk to me. Tell Dad. Say I love Mom too. Talk to me. Say hi, Dad. Talk to Dad. Talk to Dad. Say ooh. Talk to me. Talk to me. Yeah. There's a big one there. You want Dad to kiss that face?
It still smells like poop.
Talk to me. It's probably on my hands. Talk to me. We in here. We'll delete that out. Yeah. You don't smell like poop, tell Mom. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. Talk to me. Say ooh. Can you do that for Dad? Yeah? Can you talk to me? You want Daddy to kiss that mouth? You want Daddy to kiss that mouth? Dad gonna kiss it.
Hi.
Hi, Mama. Yeah. Are you in a good mood? I'm in a good mood, Dad. Look at, I look like a pimp in this suit. You look like a pimp. You having a pimping good time today? Should we go? Should we go finish eating and get rid of them hiccups? Okay.